Hey guys, welcome back all of you to this channel CodeTech, and in today's video we will discuss how to write a C program to take two inputs from the keyboard and perform all the arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulation. So without wasting any time, let's see. And if you like this video, then share with your friends and don't hate to press the bell icon so that you will get the latest notifications. So start our code, see carefully. See, this is the first line has include stdio.h, that is has is the preprocessor directory, and include which include standard input output dot s means header file. So this is the second line. This is the main function. Inside the main function we will create everything and put a curly brace here. Then I'll be take our variables, that is n1 comma n2. Here I am taking integer variables, that is n1 and n2 for two inputs, and sum for the addition and subtraction, multiplication and division and modulus. In this variables we will store the respectively values. Then put a semicolon here. See that we know that in C the termination of one line is done by putting a semicolon after writing a single line. So everything in C is terminated by using a semicolon. So I am taking the variables, then using the printf function I'll be asking to the user to enter two numbers. So see, this line asks the user to enter the two numbers. Then the user enter the two number, so that we will using here scanf function, which is a inbuilt function in C for input purpose. So I am using taking %d because we are calculating everything in integer variable. So I am taking here %d and %d, then comma for n1 from percent n1 comma from percent n2. Then perform all the operations. So I am performing here first summation, sum equals to n1 plus n2, then sum equals to n1 minus n2, then multiplication equals to n1 into n2. Then your division, dv equal to n1 plus n2 modulus. So I am done all the arithmetic operations here. Then print these functions by using your printf function. Printf sum equals to percentile d simply I am copying this line. And it did here. The second one is sum equals to percentile d. Here sum, and then here so everything is complete. See here I am writing printf functions which will print the addition where the value will be stored, and I am performing the operations here. Sum equals to n1 plus n2. So the addition of sum or sum value will be stored here, and using the sum variable, and everything as like the first operation, everything will done. After that, then simply close your curly brace here and save this file. rgyano.c. I am saving this file. Then go to command prompt, and first of all change your directory here. Then compile your C file by using gcc command. rgyano.c, and See here, the comparison is successful done. So we conclude that there is no error in our program. Then go to the output. For output purpose, I am using the A syntax here because I am using Windows operating system, so that I am writing here the A. If you are writing using your Linux or Ubuntu operating system, then for the output purpose you will be write here /a.out, which is the syntax for output in Linux or Ubuntu. So don't confuse. So it shows that enter two numbers and I am taking 50 and 40. So see, first is the addition equal to 90, subtraction equal to 10, multiplication equal to 2000, division equals to 1, and modulus is 10. So I hope you will be enjoy this video. If you like, then share with your friends and also subscribe our channel so that you will get the latest notifications. So thank you for seeing this video.